Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Assya if you guys are new, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I have another DIY video for you today. I made some tassels on my cushions for my sitting room and they turned out amazing. So they're not very expensive wool. I bought some wool from the dollar store and I created these little tassels at the end of my cushions. So guys, these tassels are so timeless and they're just a really cute thing to add on top of like a basket or a cushion or the end of a blanket, which is so cute. And they're really in right now, so it's kind of like a bohemian decoration, kind of like a boho chic look. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to go for around my bedroom and my sitting room. I got this beautiful basket from Home Centre here in Oman, and I decorated it so beautifully with this beautiful tassel all around it. So I just kept it white. I didn't use any other coloured wool, so I just liked to keep it all white on top of brown or any other colour to contrast it. So yeah guys, if you're interested in seeing how I made these tassels and how I put them onto my cushions and my basket, please keep on watching. So what we're going to need is a 10-inch cardboard piece cut out and a 5mm needle, which is meant for the wool, some scissors, a little tiny piece of scissors, and some white wool or yarn. We're going to use some pillowcases. You guys can use as many as you want. It depends on how many tassels you're going to make. We're going to get our 10-inch cardboard piece and our white yarn. I'm just going to twist the yarn around it 100 times if you want it to be so fluffy and thick. When you've completed the 100 twists, we're just going to cut off the end. We're going to get more piece of yarn or wool. In my case, I'm using wool. We're going to cut it off and place it in the middle of the table. And then we're going to remove our yarn or wool from the cardboard and place it right in the middle, as you will see. Now carefully removing the wool off the cardboard, making sure you don't destroy the shape. Now I'm lifting up the two ends to tie it right in the middle. I'm going to tie it once and then twice again to make sure it's very tight and won't budge when I'm twisting it around. Again, tying it securely, just making sure it won't come off. So this part we will need later on, so make sure you don't cut this part off. I'm just going to take a little bit of piece of wool and I'm going to cut about 7 inches long. I'm going to place it in the middle and place my tassel on top to create the head of the tassel. Just holding the tassel down, carefully twist it twice again, tying it securely. Just make sure you don't cut off too close to the tie knot because it might open up again. So as you can see, our tassel is not complete. We need to use our scissors to cut off the top part. Now your fingers will thank you so much if you have sharper scissors. As you can see, my scissors aren't that sharp. Next, you're going to hold your tassel so tight at the top so we can trim off all the extra edges on top. Now this part especially will need a sharp scissors. And as you can see, my scissors isn't making my life any easier. So this is the finished result, guys. You're gonna have a long piece of string hanging up on the top, and that is what we're gonna use to tie it into our pillowcase. So you guys can make as many tassels as you wish, depending on how you want your tassels to look on your pillow. I'm gonna be using only 4 on each corner of the pillowcase. So what we're going to do is fold the pillowcase inside out, and we're going to get our 5mm needle, and we're going to put our tassel string through the millimeter needle, and we're going to put it through one of the corners of our pillowcase. Now carefully entering the needle with the tassel in through all the way to the corner, trying to stick it out, just being very careful when you're trying to take it out. It might get a little bit stiff, but just be gentle on the needle so it doesn't snap on you. Now carefully remove the string off the needle, remove the needle out, and secure your knot on top, just like so. And just make sure you make 2 knots so it doesn't go through the pillowcase. And if you're left with a long piece of string, just cut it off. Now I'm just going to show you what one looks like on this pillowcase, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn it inside out again and continue the entire pillowcase corners. So I'm just finished putting the tassels in each corner, and this is what it looks like without the cushion inside. I think they look super cute. Okay guys, so now you get your other pillowcase depending on how much you want to make. In my case, I'm using some tassels on the white pillowcase and this green and black in the back. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to enter our needle and our tassel through each corner. Now you can do the corners or you can do the sides. I'll show you a picture of what a cushion looks like with so many tassels on the side. It actually looks really nice as well. So now I've completed my 2 pillowcases. I've also done a basket. Now the same exact process is to be done to the basket. You put the yarn or wool in through the needle and stick it through the basket and tie a knot on the other side. So simple, guys. I think you should definitely try it. And now I'm going to show you some befores and after. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tassels on my cushions and my basket. It looked really nice, turned out so cute. And I'm actually gonna add 1 or 2 on top of my blanket as well. At the end, it looks so cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share with all your friends if you think they would be interested. And see you again next time, guys. Bye.